Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a February favourites. I cannot believe we are at the end of February. Like, it is so surreal how February's passed. I just can't believe it myself. It's just really surreal. Like, January, it was slow. It was a slow month, January, and I loved that fact that it was slow. Now, February fucking whooshed by. Whooshed by so much that you're like, what the hell? So let's get into my February favourites. So first of all, I'm going to be doing Love and Tan. And this is Love and Tan Ultra Dark. This is my second bottle. The other bottle I do have is not used, but this is my tan. As you can see, my tan has faded off. I do have a top on, I swear. My tan has faded off so much. Like, I want my tan back. See, look, it's getting faded so much. And once this tan like kind of goes properly, I'm going to be tanning again. And this is the best tan ever. It's my holy grail. I love it. See, I love this tan. It is really a good tan. It has a cap on there as well. It is a mousse one, and I love it. What I do love about this is that it dries so quickly. So I'm ultra dark, and I love it. It just dries so quickly, and your tan is a nice natural olive base. It's so beautiful, and I also love it. Next thing is shampoo and conditioner. Now, I kind of bought these in January, February, and I'm putting them in my favourites because ever since I've used them, they are so good that I'm like, why haven't I had these in my life before? These are the Maui Shampoo and Conditioner. So they smell gorgeous. Oh, this smells like a tropical beach somewhere. You're on a tropical beach and you're transported there. And it smells so good. These are vegan and cruelty free, which I'm absolutely loving. This one's for dry and damaged hair, and the other one I've just got for dry hair. I find this combination together works really, really well. The smells are gorgeous. They are a 13 fluid ounce bottle, which means they are 385 ml. Holy shit. These are so good. I can't believe I was using shampoo and conditioner. Like, I bought a shampoo and conditioner from Harlan Barrett because it was vegan. I thought, yeah, I'll try this out. Loved it. These are a game changer. These are, when I got these, they were on promotion, so they're about $5.88, but they're normally about £8. And I don't mind spending £8 on these two. I mean, I have literally used them every time I wash, and I'm only to about here on them, so they are really good. They're long lasting, smell gorgeous, they make my hair so fucking good. I suffer with dandruff, and it is sometimes with shampoos they don't mix with me, so I suffer with dandruff. This I don't. It is so brilliant. I love these. So if you want a new shampoo and conditioner, try it now. The next thing I've got is a brush. Now this is a setting brush from Real Techniques. I love it for applying my highlighter on. Holy crap! I normally applied my highlighter on with like a eyeshadow brush, but since I got this, I have been loving it. This is how I applied it with my highlight today. My highlight is so fucking good. I love it. I just love my highlight. It is really good. This brush is brilliant. It is really, really good. I just love it. It's just a little dome one here, and you just put it onto your, so you can set your hand dry with this, but I don't use it for that. I use my highlight. So bloody good. Next thing is a dirty firm blender brush. Now this is from Exo Beauty. This is a brush that I love. Exo Beauty brushes. This is the firm blender brush. I love this firm blender brush. As you see, it's a nice tip as well. When you blend out your eyeshadow, I blend it with my eyeshadow today, and it looks fucking flawless. You just blend it out, makeup will look so gorgeous and just be very blended out. So if you want to try the makeup brushes, try Real Techniques or Exo Beauty. That is the bomb. Now I'm going to do onto a brush cleaner. And now I've used brush cleaners in the past. I've used Real Techniques brush cleaner. I did like that. I used just a hand wash that was got antibacterial, like 90% antibacterial removal, and that is all. But when I tried this one, this is not a brush cleaner, it is a shampoo. It is a baby shampoo. Now I use baby shampoo to clean my brushes because I tried it first of all and I thought, this is a gimmick, this is not going to clean my brushes. And when I first used it, I was like, oh my god, this is really good. Now I've come back to this, and I bought a 500ml one. This makes my brushes so clean that it removes everything, absolutely everything, because it makes my brushes so clean that I absolutely love this. So I do use this to wash. I use a little bit, wash my brushes, and they look so clean. There are makeup brushes that I do have stained, but once I use this, the stains were gone because it just removed everything. So yeah, I love this for cleaning my brushes. Next, it is a sugar scrub. Now, I've tested sugar scrubs in the past on my lips. I've tested Lush, I've tested drugstore. I tested all like drugstore and all Lush products, and they didn't compare to this one that I'm about to show you. This is a high-end one. I say it's worth every penny because it's so good. I even sometimes use it on my face because it's just that good. It is the Jeffree Star Lip Scrub. This is what in the one Strawberry Scrub, and I absolutely love it. It is really cute. I mean, I've used so much of it. As you can see, it's so nice. The texture is really, really good as well. It's a screw cap. It is so big as well. It's vegan and quarter free. It is edible. Normally when I do my lips and I scrub them, I put it off with a damp cloth, and then I moisturize my lips afterwards. But I have never felt my lips so smooth as when I've been using this. This makes my lips so fucking smooth that I don't have any dry cracks on there anymore. I intend to get like really dry lips, and I hate dry lips to save my life. I just hate them. But using this, it is really, really good, and I absolutely do love it. So the first thing I do have are the Tarte Shape Tape. I got these. I did a haul for them. I linked the haul somewhere around here. And basically, I have been using this non-stop. I have the fair and I have the light medium. I use the light medium when I am tanned, and I use the fair when I'm not. So today, I've actually used the fair, and it brightens under your eyes. It is so brightening. It is so good. Normally with concealers, they crease on me, and these don't crease. What the packaging looks like. It's so cute. The doe foot applicator is so big though, but I do love that fact that it is really big. Yes, they are a bit pricey, but I love them so much. And yes, I did actually get these from Tarte website, and I'm from the UK. And the NYX Glitter Primer. This is really good to put onto your eyelids and then put an eyeshadow on. So I put it on today with the gold shade onto my eyelids, and I absolutely love it for that. It's really beautiful. This is tacky, so when you feel it tacky, put the eyeshadow on, and then it will look so stunning. I love this for that. So I love using a glitter primer. So good. So next is the mascara, and I've been loving this mascara ever since it came out. It's my holy grail mascara. I cannot live without it. I am going to get the other mascara, the mascara of the Bad Gal Bang, and I'm going to test it out for you. But it's the RollerLash. I absolutely love it. I love the grip when you hold it because it's really rubbery, but the bristles are so like, hang on, the bristles are really good. Like, look at that wand, it's so like, it's curved, and it is a silicone brush, and it is bendy, and you don't have to curl your eyelashes with it. I always curl my eyelashes with it because I just feel like that my eyelashes just need to be curled. But this is really good. I love it because it really does curl your eyelashes. It's good on the bottom, it's good on that. It doesn't transfer onto my skin. I just love this product so much. The next one is a Benefit one, and it is Porefessional. I used this in the past. I do have pores, and when I do put this on, I put it on all over my face. But when I use this, all my pores are gone. I don't have any on. I don't see any of my pores showing because of this. It is really good. I pat it on and then I swirl it on, and it makes your skin so smooth as well, and it covers your pores as well. It does have a little bit of the tint to it. I do love this primer. The next thing is a highlighter. Oh my god, this highlighter. It's a Nikkie EverGlow highlighter. Holy shit, the pan is a little bit dirty, sorry. The fallout for this is really too much, but I do love this. I have it on my cheeks today. Like, it's so pretty. Look at that, the shades are buttery and they're smooth. The only problem is the darker one is a bit crumbly, but they are beautiful. Like, look at them. They are fucking stunning. I love them. They are so brilliant. They just look so fucking stunning. I have this one and I have this one mixed onto my highlighter, and I absolutely love it. They are just a good product to highlight with, and if you're wanting a blinding highlight, get this. This is so blinding. It is beautiful as well, and I love it. So next is a blush. I've talked about this blush in the face before, but this blush, it smells so good. I don't know why I smelled it before, but I love the smell. It's only the travel size one, and it's the Galforina, and I've got it on my cheeks today. It is a nice, beautiful coral blush. It just comes in a package like this. It's really beautiful. The colour is so stunning though. Look at that. That is a stunning colour. Like, it's so stunning. It just goes really well. It just blends out like a dream. And I love this so much for blush. Next are a couple of lips that I absolutely love. When I've worn this lip colour before, people have always been asking what lip colour I do use. And it's by Jeffree Star. I love Jeffree Star lipsticks. Some are a bit of drying, but some are not. And it's really weird how that happens. But this is in the shade Leo. It is a really, really beautiful. It's so good. That is in Leo. I find it really beautiful. It is a nude brownie colour, and it looks so gorgeous on your lips as well. Love it so much. Next is another one. This is a collab that I've got on my lips today, and it's called Charmed, and it's from OFRA. And Manny anyway collabed with them on this, and it's just right here. As you can see, this one is a mauve colour, so that is it right there. I love this colour. It's on my lips today. It looks stunning with a smoky eye, which I've got right now. It looks so good. I just love this colour. It doesn't dry my lips out. I can see I've got it on, and it's not accentuating my lip lines as much as I would have other liquid lipsticks, so I love this. The next one is a bit of a daredevil, and I have used this, wore this before, and I absolutely love it. And it is by OFRA again, and this is one that Nikkie has collaborated with. And this colour is so beautiful. It goes in different shifts. In some lights, it'll look like a pinky matte, and other lights, it'll look like a coral. This is the colour. It looks so beautiful. It is so stunning. Next, it is a lip liner and a matte lipstick. This is in the colour Regina. I did actually try this out on camera for you, and it's such a beautiful colour. The pencil is creamy, and that's what the pencil looks like. It's just a creamy colour. And then the one, this does go on a little bit streaky, but when you build it up and finesse it into your lips, it looks beautiful, and that's the colour right there. I absolutely love this as a pair because this comes as a pair. It's called Original. I'll put it around here somewhere to say what it's called. But I absolutely love the colours together. They are so beautiful. They are a nudie, pinky, brownie colour, and it's so beautiful on the lips. Makeup Revolution Sophx palette. I love the colours in here. They're stunning. I used a colour Danger on my eyes today. The colours are so pigmented. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, that is mixed berries, and I love them all. These are so pigmented. They blend it like a dream. I don't know what it is with Makeup Revolution, but they're stepping up the game for everything, and it is really good. But oh my god, this is stunning. This is only £10, and I love this so much. Next one is another eyeshadow palette. Now this is Laurel's Cat's Pyjamas. It is beautiful. The packaging is a sparkly, and it's so beautiful. The colours are really beautiful. I mean, I love the names of these colours. They're so good. I mean, I used this palette today on my eyes, and their colours are so beautiful. This one is called Cray Cray. This one's called Bomb Diggity, and I love the colours. This one is called Kooky. I love Kooky as well. They're just really good colours. They're the colours, and they look so beautiful. Sorry, my swatches are crap, but the colours are so beautiful, so pigmented. They blend out like a dream. Scatterbrain is a bit crumbly, so you need to put it on with a NYX primer, which I just show you. It's just a really good palette to work by. All the colours are stunning. Blend out like a dream. What? There's nothing more I can say about this. This I got. If you're struggling to get this in the UK, go on Beauty Bay and you can get this on Beauty Bay. It's a NYX palette, and this is the 3-Sector Sculpt. I love this colour right here. I do like this colour, and I do like this colour, but I'm using this colour so much, and it is beautiful. It's just that colour right there. It is really beautiful. It's like a coolie medium brown. It's not too orange, but I've used that as a contour today, just a little bit as a contour and a bronzer, and it works flawlessly. I just dip my brush in there, blend it out. It blends out like a dream. Like, my contour has never looked this fucking good, and it's all because of this palette right here. I love this. This is the RCMA powder. I love this. I need to get a new one. This one I got from Beauty Bay as well because it's just so good. This was replaced by Laura Mercier. I bake under the eyes with it, and it's so fucking good. It's a no colour powder, so no colour is going to get on you no matter what. It's just a brilliant powder to use. I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a new setting powder, this one is good. This is on Beauty Bay, £13, 3 ounces, and that is a lot for a set. That is a lot for a powder, and I absolutely love this. It's so good. It's finely kneaded as well, so it doesn't go chunky. It goes really nice. When you brush it off, it just looks flawless. Your makeup, your under eye will shine. It just looks so good. Hopefully you do like this video. Please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the notifications bell so you are alerted every time I post a video up on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.